Hello, my name is Shane Bullock and I'm the Director of Monash Rural Health Churchill, and this is where the Monash graduate entry medical students start their journey through medicine, here in Year 8. This is our simulated ward space. Our Year 8 students come in here to do some clinical skills work. We can also close the curtains when students are doing surface anatomy, so they have a private space to work in small groups to work through that surface anatomy. And as you can see here, there's a bit of high tech. This gives the students an opportunity to interact with a sophisticated simulation model to get more complex understanding of clinical skills and physiology. In Year 8, we've tried doing lots of small group teaching where the students come together in smallish groups to discuss and work through problems and touch models. So here is a typical tutorial room where students spend a lot of their time. It's not all just about work and study. We provide students with facilities such as this chessboard here, where students can have a game. Check. This is the student kitchen area. This is an area used exclusively for students to just relax. The students do some assignment work where they have to do a creative piece, and we're proud to be able to display their work in this particular space.